The quality of our communication impacts the way we interact with others, the effectiveness of the things we work on and do together, and the way we feel connected. We feel this in our school, our work, our teams, or church communities. With so many different platforms intended for only one or two things, or there's communication issues of blue and green text bubbles, it can seem really hard to find something that can cover all of your collaboration and communication needs for multiple contexts. Band app isn't like the other platforms that only focus on project management but don't really have robust communication, or they just focus strongly on communication but don't have robust project management or collaboration tools. Instead, Band app has project management, collaboration, communication, scheduling, and so much more. On top of that, Band app is free. You can use every feature, and it does not aggressively restrict your access to features unless you sign up for a subscription plan like the others. So Band app reached out to me to sponsor this showcase to show you its strengths and how powerful it can be to collaborate and communicate with groups using the Band app. Let's check it out. Let's talk about the workplace. One thing that I'm personally always interested in is workflow and workplace efficiency. Having great systems and tools available to help you get things done and do it well in a collaborative way is so interesting to me. If you've ever been in a workplace setting where you use different services to work together as a team, you're probably familiar with the experience of having multiple systems to do everything and not all of them are working together perfectly. It's seriously a pain, and because of that, that's where the Band app can really shine. It has powerful features like being able to create a list for people to sign up for different tasks to take care of, or even who wants to bring in a certain snack to the office. And you can keep track of who picked what. You can even create a to-do list to keep track of the progress of your team's projects and who took care of each task. There are polls that you can use to make various decisions in a transparent and fair way. You can also RSVP and gather attendance for an upcoming meeting, lunch, or conference that's happening, and include images, files, the location, and also add it to the group calendar on top of all of that. I really like how you can keep adding items to each post to accomplish the task at hand and rearrange them. It seems extremely simple while managing to be extremely flexible and powerful. Having a central hub for photos, videos, files, chat communications, group and one-on-one voice calls, voice messages, private messages, and so much more is the most powerful part about the Band app. And it's all in one. On top of that, you can set reminders, make appointments that notifies everyone in the private group, see who has and hasn't read each post, and assign specific user privilege rights to each user to fit their responsibilities. You can even assign co-admins to help moderate and guide your team. So let's think of a really practical example. One particular context that could really benefit from something like this is a restaurant. Within a restaurant, you have multiple people with varying shifts that are often being traded among servers. So having a central group to help the whole team communicate with each other, have a sense of community, plan things, trade shifts, send and receive updates for the day, and many other things is really convenient. Imagine being a restaurant manager that is able to post the specials of the day with photos, videos, ingredients, and descriptions for each dish and having it readily available for everyone to check out. You wouldn't have to chase everyone down to update them, which is especially hard in a restaurant. Now, you don't have to use the Band app only for internal communications with employees. If you have a business like a dance studio or a martial arts, CrossFit, or rock climbing gym, the Band app can help you build a deeper sense of community between those who have membership with your business. It allows them to interact with each other. You can share photos and videos of what's happening that day, share information about events, give tips and other types of value to them. Imagine being able to use a live stream feature to help people with a workout from home. My favorite part is the ability to organize things to encourage each member to interact with another and even make new friends. This is seriously a really powerful marketing and retention tool. Oh, and did I mention that it's free? Now, there are a ton of other really amazing contexts that you can use the Band app in, like churches and small groups where you can share prayer requests, update each other on events at the church, share words of encouragement in scripture, exchange sermon notes, and so much more. It really helps bring your community together. It has also proven to be extremely powerful at schools and with sports teams where you can communicate with everyone and parents all at once instead of having to pass out flyers to each and every person. You can record videos showing students or those on a team how to do something so they can reference back to it instead of showing them over and over again. You can also keep everyone on track so they know what they should be doing and when by using the calendar and event feature. If you're a teacher, you can make all your resources available to download at any time for your students and even accept their assignments as a simple attachment in a message to you. Honestly, it feels so much easier than using email. On top of that, students don't have to feel left out because they have a green or blue message bubble. So check out the Band app for free today. There's a link in the description to download it for iOS or Android, and there's even a desktop version, so it's super easy to use it anywhere at any time. Also, if you install the Band app, you can join my private This Is Tech Today Band group and chat with me. You can find a link for that in the description along with the other links. I'd love to know what clever ways you use the Band app for your needs. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much to Band app for sponsoring this video, and thanks to all of you for watching and supporting the channel. I appreciate it so much. Thank you for watching This Is Tech Today, where we talk about the intersection of technology in our everyday lives, in business, and in all things creative. Until next time.